Welcome to another video about Fails Components, the fancy automated internet lecture system. In today's video, we will learn how a lecturer can upload and organize pictures and how pictures are added and edited during the lecture. The first step is to start in your Learning Management System, your LMS, and go into the Fails activity for your lecture. Inside the activity, a panel for uploading and browsing pictures is present. Press the Upload Picture button and select a picture for uploading. Supported file formats are PNG and JPEG. Other file formats may work as well, but will be converted internally to a file format supported in the later generated PDFs. Please note that animated GIFs are currently not supported, but may be added in the future. Furthermore, the file size of the uploaded picture is limited to 20 megabytes. But anyway, try to not use large picture files, since it will lead to long loading times and large PDF files later. Once a picture is successfully uploaded, it is added to the gallery, where you can browse all pictures available for the lecture. If you have already uploaded your picture to another lecture, for example, last year, last week, or another class, you can go to the Other Lectures panel. Select the lecture from which you want to add the pictures. Press the Get Pictures button and the pictures are added to your current lecture. Generally, you should add or upload all pictures from your office before you start the lecture in the lecture hall. However, the upload will also work during a running lecture. Let's turn to a running lecture. Go to the toolbar and select the Add Picture button. Select a picture from the gallery and click the Add to Lecture button. Now, you should place the picture by clicking at the upper left corner of the area where the picture should be placed. The picture was added and you can adjust now the size by dragging the Move button. Or you can confirm or cancel the addition of the picture by clicking on the Confirm or Cancel button. If you like to move or remove a picture from your lecture, the magic wand is your friend. Draw a magic area around the picture. The picture and other drawings in the magic area are selected. Now, the picture can be moved around, or you can remove the picture from your lecture by selecting the trash icon. And that's it. Now you have learned how to upload, manage, and add and edit pictures. Thank you for listening. I am Davis and happy to be the host of this video. I am not a human but a neural voice of Microsoft's Azure Text-to-Speech service. Please check out the other videos about Fails Components. I wish you happy failing.